Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos. Standard 10th, video number 99, Statistics, Section C, Achiever, toughest one. Let's start. Find the median of the following distribution of the workers. See here, these are the workers. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, these are the intervals and these are the number of workers. This we call it as frequency. Okay. Then 1 to 3, 3 to 5, it goes up to 15 to 17. So we have to find median. Okay, let's start. See, write them in serially. 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 7, up to 17. Number of workers, write it. Now we'll calculate cumulative frequency. Cumulative means what? Total of all these. That is basically cumulative. See here 59. For second row it is 6 plus 53, 59. For third row it is 85 plus 53 plus 6, 144. Or you can do it this 59 plus 85, then also 144 plus 86, 230. It's one and the same. So final answer is 275. It means what? There are 275 total number of workers. Okay, so we'll call that as n. N is 275. Therefore n upon 2 is 137.5. Now median class. How do you find the median class? What is the median? Median means, so median class is 5 is to 7. 5 to 7. Why 5 to 7? See here, the logic behind that is, what is median? Median means when you arrange the values in a serial order, where the half of that, center of that lies. So 137.5 is the half of this total 275. Where it lies? It lies in this range, 59 to 144, right? Because it's 137.5. So it will lie between this range, 5 is to 7. Hence the median class is 5 is to 7. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.